All right, my workshop's a mess. It's a complete disaster. I've got a couple of things to work on here. Just want to show you. So I've got my main working area over here. It's in pretty rough shape. So, and then, you know, I've got my wood storage, my scrap wood and stuff, and yeah, it's sort of not the best either. Now, you know, I've got a joiner here, and then, you know, my miter saw is underneath there, my table saw is off on the side, and, you know, and then I've got this kind of disaster of an area. Like this is the counter. I'm getting this ready to be put away for the winter, and then behind that, I've got these 2 ramps that I made for Henry a couple of years ago. He doesn't really use them, so I'm gonna take them apart and I'm gonna use the wood from that to make some benches. And so tonight, I just needed to get out of the house for a couple hours, kids and the wife, you know, you guys know what it's like. Anyway, I needed to get out of the house and I decided I'm gonna tackle this first. Here we go. So it's time for me to tackle my my workstation, my workbench. I just kind of throw everything on there. It's like a dumping ground, same way that this thing was a dumping ground. And I made a shelf underneath it, so there's more stuff. The biggest problem that I have with this is not the space, not the shelf, it's actually where I keep my my miter saw, but it's just like this distance from here to the ground is just too small for me able to get my miter saw out. So I actually have to lift this whole thing, and then with my foot, get my miter saw out. Yeah, it's a pain in the butt. So, you know, a lot of times I'll leave my miter saw where it is, and I'll just grab my my circular saw off the wall and use that to make cuts. And you know, and then I've got to go up there, and I've got to get my router from up there, and then you know, it's becoming too much. So it's time to deal with all this. All right, so yeah, all done up here, all done down there, pretty dusty, lots of stuff. So I'm gonna move this away from the wall. I'm gonna show you what's underneath here. Yeah, you might be asking, why is there a hole in my garage floor? Well, my floor is heated with in-floor heat, which is really nice. One night, one of our Airbnb guests decided to leave the door to the garage open, and it was a balmy -40 overnight and really windy, and the floor froze, and this loop and the other loop over there, they stopped working, they leaked. So I had to bust up the floor to find out where I could fix this. So now I've got to patch this up. So off to Home Hardware and get some cement to make some concrete. Yeah, so I wasn't able to make it to Home Hardware in time, they were closed. And it's Sunday, so I won't be doing the hole in the floor. I'll do that another day. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna paint the walls. I notice that it's getting darker and darker in here. Actually, the walls are actually darkening over time. And then when I'm filming, it actually makes the space seem smaller, although it gives that nice kind of rich tone. What I'm going to do anyway is I'm just going to paint over the plywood, just a couple of coats of primer probably. I'm not going to actually paint, and it should really brighten up the space. So obviously there's a lot of stuff in here, and I was thinking about maybe doing a little giveaway. I've got this Milwaukee set of shockwave drivers. It's they're Robertsons, so I don't know if you're in the States, you might not want these, but if you're not in the States, or even if you are, you might want these. If you want these, here's what you got to do. Found this, I bought this a couple of years back. Now all you need to do is tell me, what town is that? First person to tell me what town that is in the comments, if anybody even watches this video, but the first person to tell me what this town is, I'll send you these. All right, we'll figure out how to get your contact information and I'll send you those. All right. I think I'm gonna try painting up here next and see if that makes it any brighter. So yeah, here we go. You know what? This is gonna take too long. There we go, that was easy. I should do that every time. Is it brighter? I think it's brighter. All right, so well, I'm gonna do this whole wall, and then I'll do that wall, I'll do that wall. I probably won't do that wall. And then I think the most important thing is gonna be doing the ceiling. So I'll do that as well. And let's see that. Okay, I guess I'll have to do it the hard way. All right, yeah, so I'll keep you updated, but for now, I'm gonna leave this at the way it is. And yeah, once I get all the painting done, then I'll get going on this, on the hole in the floor. All right, thanks for watching.